Hey, Chef Winston coming at you once again with another great recipe from Catering CC. Today's recipe came from a request from one of our subscribers all the way from Canada. Julia, this one's for you. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Today, we're gonna provide you guys with a chicken Florentine, Cajun Seared chicken Florentine with tomatoes and mushroom, finished with a little bit of sherry. It's gonna be phenomenal. It's easy. You guys are gonna get rave reviews on this one. Here we go. We got some beautiful pieces of chicken cutlet. You can get this from your local grocery store. Have those guys cut it up for you. I cut this chicken breast up myself. Like I said, thin cutlets. Check that out. It's cut thin so you can cook fast. What we're gonna do, starting, we're gonna season it. Not with salt and pepper, because Chef Winston always gotta put a little twist to his game. Cajun seasoning. Why not? A little bit of Cajun seasoning, not too much. Sprinkle it on there. And turn it over. You home cooks are gonna love this one. Very easy, very straightforward, very flavorful. There we go. So once that's seasoned, we're gonna start sauteing this in our pan. All right, we're gonna bring the chicken on over here. We're gonna start cooking, guys. Here we go. We've got a cast iron pot right here, getting ready, getting nice and hot. A little bit of oil. And we're gonna add some butter to that. All right. So while that's doing that, we're gonna add our chicken breast to start searing in this butter and oil. Oh man, Julia, all the way from Canada, you're gonna love this one. Give this one a shot. Give it a try at home with your family and friends, and let me know how it turns out, okay? Thank you once again for subscribing to our channel. We love doing stuff for the home cooks. So here we go. Beautiful Cajun seared piece of chicken. Turn it over. This is quick and fast and easy. You don't want to overcook this. Okay, beautiful. This is looking nice and bronze color. Look at that. Now it's not fully cooked, which is fine. We're gonna take this out and set it aside on a plate, okay? We're gonna add it back to the sauce later. Beautiful, beautiful. What we're gonna do, okay, enough oil in there. Now we're gonna add some onions and some garlic and some mushrooms. Oh yeah. This is real cooking, baby. This is real life cooking. Mushroom flying everywhere. Make it nice and tasty. Look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. Pan's looking a little dry, not too much. But we want to get this here translucent, okay? We want to get the mushrooms nice and cooked before we go to the next step 2. Let this work down there. And then from there, I'm gonna add some beautiful tomatoes. Beautiful cherry tomatoes. We are cooking, baby, that's right. Yeah, man. And from there, spinach. We've got some spinach. Add some spinach in there. Cook that down. And we always gotta make stuff taste good. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. We're gonna taste as we go. This looks amazing. Woo. So now, at this point, we're gonna deglaze our pan with some white wine. All right, look at that. That is coming up. Looking beautiful, smelling amazing, complex flavors, but very easy. This is gonna be an amazing dish. We're gonna take the wine and let the wine reduce a little bit. What we're doing is cooking the alcohol out of the wine so we can taste the natural flavors from this wine. This dish is so elegant. We also do this dish here for our plated dinners and our couples weddings, our galas, private chef parties that we do at people's houses. It's always a big hit. So now, if you notice, it is nice and reduced. The more it reduced, the thicker it gets. You're gonna add some cream. Oh yeah. How beautiful does this look? Beautiful, smooth, simple. Wow, look at that. Now at this point, what you want to do is put your chicken back in that sauce. Okay? Put the chicken back in there, let everything simmer down together. This is like a one pot dish, a one pan dish. Put that juice in here. Lovely, lovely. And of course, I like to use a little bit of butter to finish it off. Put some butter in here. Finish it off. Now you want it to simmer, you don't want a hard boil. Bring it down. Let it simmer a little bit. And I love this little added touch. Actually, one more thing. My Dijon mustard. Just a touch. Not too much. I like using the Dijon mustard. It has wine, that acidity from the mustard. It complements this dish so well. Look how beautiful this is looking, guys. Remember, adjust your temperature. Don't keep it boiling. You want it to simmer very quietly. All right? Now the last thing I'm gonna add to this is just a kiss of dry chili. Look at that. Oh man, that's a little bit more. I love that. And this dish is just about done. Of course, as we always do, we gotta taste it to see what it's tasting like, right? Let's taste the sauce first. A little bit in the back of the hand. Oh, nothing needed. Perfect seasoning. Perfect seasoning. You guys will be the talk of the town on this dish. And there we go. There we have it. The completed dish of a Cajun Seared Chicken Florentine. So let's plate this up and give it a taste. Oh, this looks amazing. When you guys try this at home, I'm telling you, you guys are gonna be the talk of the town. Look at all these beautiful, the chicken has, look at it, it's just so, I can hardly talk. I cannot wait to dive in and try this stuff. We got the mushrooms, the spinach, the tomatoes, the garlic, and don't forget the sherry. That's right, the sherry, baby. This looks amazing, don't it, guys? Look at this. Then they pour that beautiful sauce. Oh, so gently on top of that. I know what you guys are thinking. This guy is passionate. That's what you call food of love, baby. Food of love. Beautiful. Take a little bit of Cajun seasoning and sprinkle on top, not too much, make it look pretty. Woo! We're gonna give this a taste. There you have it. How does this look? You always gotta present with style and panache. Make it look beautiful. How does that look? Doesn't this look amazing? Time to taste it. It's all set. So let's see what we put together here, man. Beautiful. The sauce is beautiful. Oh yeah. So let's dive in. Cut a piece of the chicken. Get some mushrooms and spinach and garlic. This is amazing. The flavors are coming together. Oh wow. One more time. Oh, you home cooks? You guys are gonna be blown away by your guests. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you guys see something or would like for us to try to cook something for you or to demonstrate something for you guys, put it in the comment box. Let us know. We'll be happy to do it. Cheers.